Hi everyone, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with my Peachy Cheap order that I purchased a week ago. I think it was a week ago. It's a Vicky Boutin collection. I know they had the crayons a week prior, and then they had this one, which is the texture paste set, plus some stencils. And I thought I'd share. This isn't the first stencils I got of theirs, of Vicky Beaton. They're well made because I found these ones like this one, and this one, oops, this one I mean, and then this one on clearance at Joann's a few weeks ago, and they're well made. So, they come in this nice packaging. So this is this one, and they always come with this cool looking paper. Isn't that cool? So that's this one that came with the kit, and then this one. And then this cool looking flower one this time. So you got 3 stencils. And I paid $19.99 for this, which I didn't think was bad because I got these first 3 stencils on clearance for $3 something at Joann's. And they were originally like $8 something. So let's check out this. So you got 6 colors. And what drew me is I love neon colors. And I don't know how much these were, except for the stencils, how much this was originally. But let's check out these colors. So you got a green, which is kiwi sour. Let's see how creamy it is. That's the question. Ooh, look at that. They could have filled these jars a little bit better, though. I mean, you know. So that's the green, which is cool. We have blue, blueberry sour. So we have kiwi sour and blueberry sour. Nice. There we go. I can't wait to play. What? Check out this. It's colored texture paste. And that's been a oh, and you gotta get these covers on just right too. Wow, come on. Holding it up. There we go. Oh, still not. There we go. Okay. Oh. And this one is called Watermelon Sour. Look at that pink. Nice. Watermelon sour. All these covers. Okay. This one is peach sour. That's cool. Orange. I like orange. I tell you, you gotta just get these covers just exactly turned on right, or they don't go on. Grape sour. Oh. Oh. Ooh, pretty purple. Pretty purple. There we go. And the last but least is called lemon sour. Ooh. Look how full that jar is compared to the other ones. This must have been made on a Tuesday. Filled on a Tuesday. And then you get the spatula. Don't need that anymore. So I paid $19.99 plus the shipping. I think was like $4.99. So $24 something. I didn't think that was a bad price for the colored texture paste and the 3 stencils. I mean, look at these colors, guys. Whoa! I mean, look at them cool colors. Mixed media time. Here we come. So I thought I'd just share that with you guys. I check Peachy Cheap every day. It's like I get up in the morning and I'll be like, what's Peachy Cheap got? Sometimes some good deals. And sometimes I'll see it and I'll go look to see if it's cheaper somewhere else. This time I didn't do it. I just went for it. So I don't know how much these were or the stencils separately. I do know that when I got my, like I said, the stencils at Joann's, they were $3 something on clearance, but originally it was like $8. And they're well nice stencils. It's good. They're not a cheap plastic stencil. They're pretty sturdy. So I'm going to let y'all go. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And I may go live and do some stenciling with the texture paste. Bye, everybody.